Hi Fauhow, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create Facebook page easy. You can create Facebook page to build your community, to make you more popular, or to promote your product. Okay, for the first, if you want to create Facebook page, you have to download a Facebook app. To download Facebook app, you can download via App Store if you use iPhone, and if you use Android, you can download it via Play Store. Okay, I'll show you. Just download Facebook. Okay, download this app, and then we can open this Facebook app. You can see here on the bottom right corner there are three horizontal line menu, and then click and scroll down and you will find pages. Just click it. On the pages, click create, and then just click get started option. What category best describes the page you want to create? These categories will help people find your page in search result. You can add up to 3 categories. I want to add category education website. After giving your categories, you can click next. What you want to name this page? Give your page name here. The page name should be the name of your business, personal brand, or organization. You can request to change this later. I want to give this Fauhow. And then after filling this form, you can click next. Do you have a website for Fauhow? If you have link or website you want to add to your page, you can paste your website here. But if you have not had a website, you can choose I don't have a website. And then click next. Add images to this page. You can add profile picture and cover photo. So if you add profile picture and cover photo, your page will be available for more people. I will add profile picture. Fauhow. Okay, I will use this. And then I will add cover photo. Fauhow. Okay, save. Okay, like this. Done. To get this page set up for success, there are a few important things you need to do. You can complete the now or come back later to finish up. Okay, we can complete now. Click next. You can invite your friends to like your page, but I will skip this step. Join groups. Joining groups can help people who have similar interests learn about your page. You can join some groups which is similar to your page. I will skip this step. Connect to WhatsApp. You can add a WhatsApp button to your page and create WhatsApp ads when you connect your account. You can connect your Facebook page with your WhatsApp account. So if you're selling some products in Facebook page, the customer will be directed to WhatsApp. I will skip this step. Create a post. Visitors can learn more about your page and share your post, photo, or video with their friends. I will do this later. Set up automated messaging. I will do this later. Add a page button for your visitors. I will do this later. And then add your business details. You can add your location, your website, and your opening hours. When is your opening hour and when is your closing hour? Okay, I skip this step. Okay, we have succeeded to create our page. And then you can see here create action button. Just click this option and then you can see this. Choose this action you would like people to take. This button will be shown at the top of your page. If your page is about a selling product, you can choose shop on website or book now. But if your Facebook page is about community, building community, or about brand, you can choose call now, contact us, message, send email, or WhatsApp. I will choose to get in touch, message. Okay, save. message button created. And then you can set your Facebook page more by clicking the setting button on the top right corner. You can see here many settings available for your Facebook page. General, page info, messaging, notification, page roles, podcasts, people and other pages, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook Wi-Fi, page support about community, and page management history. For the first, we can set page info. Here you can edit your about, your name, your category, your profile picture, your cover page, and you can add a website if you have a website, and you can add some description here about your Facebook page. And then you can also give your phone number, add email, and also your WhatsApp number. And you can also change the action button. The current button I have selected is message. You can change this here. And then you can also give location of your business, location of your store, location of your office or another. And also you can add opening hours for your store, your business or another. And then after setting this up, let's go back. Then you can see here, you can also set the messaging, notification and another. You can set as you like for your Facebook page. If you have any questions about creating Facebook page, just give comment below. I'll be happy to answer your question. If you like my video, please give like and also smash the red button, and also don't forget to turn on notifications so that if I upload a new videos about social media tutorial, I will give you notification only for you and you will be able to watch my latest video. Thank you.